different web pages using HTML. So first of all, we look at small introduction about HTML, and we discuss some learning outcomes that what we learned from this course. So here's the introduction of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's also describe the structure of web page consists of a series of elements. Elements tell the browser how to display content, and it design different type of web pages for you according to your choice. So next is the learning outcome, what we will learn at the end of this course. So at the end of this course, you have the basic knowledge of HTML. You can also publish online document with heading, text, table, lists, photos, and a lot of features embedded in it. You can also retrieve online information via using hypertext links. You can also design your portfolio by using HTML, CSS. So here's some editor we will use. You can use any editor for HTML code, any editor that may familiar or that able to generate HTML document. You can use for this. So some most famous editors are listed here, which use Atom, Notepad++, Sublime Text Editor, Visual Studio Code. I prefer Visual Studio Code. It is easy and user friendly, so you can easily learn how to code in Visual Studio. I will use Visual Studio in this series. So if you want to follow as it is, so you can also download and install Visual Studio Code for your PC. Thank you. In next lecture, we will discuss some code, and some have a hand-on practice on that code, and simple codes, and we will see that how this code work for you.